Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use Apple Maps on any non-Apple computers or smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two ways how you can use Apple Maps on any non-Apple computers or smartphones. So the first method is using official website link. So just open any web browser, and on the address bar just type this address beta.maps.apple.com, and after that just hit enter. Now you can see the official Apple Maps. As you can see here on the left side, it's already mentioned Apple Maps. So you can zoom it also in order to check out the respective location maps, and you can use the search options also, or guides and directions also. So this is the first way how you can use the Apple Maps on any non-Apple computers or smartphones. And the second way is using non-official website link. So once again, open any web browser on your respective computer or smartphones and just visit to this website link duckduckgo.com and hit enter. Now search for Apple Maps. Now you can see here maps option, just click on it. Now the respective maps you are seeing here is from the Apple Maps. So let me show you here the proof. So you can see at the bottom it's already mentioned Apple Maps. So this website uses the Apple Maps. So by using these two ways, you can easily use Apple Maps on any non-Apple computers or smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.